Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to turn on your Nationwide card reader, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So if you want to turn on a Nationwide card reader, you can try these, okay? So first you want to remove the plastic strip, which is the clear part of plastic strip to basically activate the batteries. And then you want to go ahead and press this on off button. So press this, hold it, and then what you can do is, if this doesn't have an on off button, what you can do is you can press the reset button on the back. But usually you should see this button right here. Just press on that. That will help you turn it on. And if the card reader is still not working, you can try these steps again, or you can order a new one through digital banking. So if the battery is actually low or dead, you have to replace it. So you'll need two CR2032 batteries. So you'll need a pen and the back of the card reader. Open that up, you can put those batteries in, just replace them. Really easy and simple. So this is how you do it. Find those the small rectangular hole you'll find near the bottom of the back of the card reader. Push the tip of a pin into that hole, and then you can now pull out the battery drawer. Remove the old batteries, put the new ones back in the plus and minus positions, positive and negative positions. Then push the drawer back into the card reader, turn it on, and it should work, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you found this valuable, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.